In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Zoom to Otter.ai. This integration can be a real game changer, especially if you're looking to streamline your transcription process for meetings or webinars. We'll walk through the entire process step by step to ensure you have everything set up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to the Otter.ai website. This will be your starting point for the entire process. Once you're on the homepage, you'll either need to sign up for a new account if you're not already registered, or simply log in if you have an existing account. This is an essential step, as you'll need access to your dashboard to proceed further. Now, once you're logged into Otter.ai, you'll want to look to the left corner menu. Here, you should see an option labeled Integrations. This feature allows Otter.ai to work hand in hand with other platforms, like Zoom, making your workflow more efficient. Click on the Integrations option to continue. After you've reached the Integrations page, it's time to find the Zoom app. The check and balance system provided here ensures that you're connecting Otter.ai with the correct application, thus giving you the best transcription experience with your Zoom meetings. Once you've located Zoom in the list of available apps, just click on it to begin the setup process. Next, you'll want to click on the Add button. This will initiate the linking process between Otter.ai and Zoom. By following these steps, you'll unlock the feature that allows Otter.ai to automatically transcribe your Zoom calls, which can be greatly beneficial if you need transcripts for archiving or for people who couldn't attend the meeting. At this point, you will be prompted to sign in to your Zoom account. Make sure you enter the correct details associated with the Zoom account you want to link. After successfully signing in, you will be brought to a new page where you'll see a message asking you to click Allow. This step is crucial because it's granting the necessary permissions for Otter.ai to access your Zoom account and helps facilitate a smooth integration process. After you click Allow, your Zoom account should now be successfully connected to your Otter.ai account. This confirmation ensures that everything is working as planned, and from here on out, your Zoom meetings can be transcribed automatically by Otter.ai. This concludes the integration process and opens up new avenues for efficient communication handling. And there you have it. You're now all set to make the most out of both your Otter.ai and Zoom experiences. By integrating these two platforms, you've taken a step to maximize productivity and accessibility. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.